Hello, my name is Helen and a very warm welcome to my channel. The town of Newborough had a Scotland's Garden Scheme open day. I managed to visit a few of these very different gardens and the owners were very kind and allowed me to film their gardens to share here on my channel. All of them will be linked on a playlist up here so that you can view them all. All the gardens are very different and have unique features: plants, vegetables, fruits and layouts. The beautiful ever-changing River Tay can be seen from many of them. Let's take a look at these uplifting and beautiful gardens. Keith and Sally have a low maintenance garden and from the high point a great view of the River Tay. I would be grateful if you would like, subscribe and ring the bell for notifications of my next video. It really makes a difference. Thank you so much. When Sally and Keith purchased this garden, the architecture was already there and had been designed to combat the slope. The large decking area gives amazing views of the River Tay, but was very dangerous when damp. This was improved by having it covered in artificial grass. The planting originally was pretty meagre. The walls were bare and the garden was dominated by a large shed which was removed and a much smaller one put in a less conspicuous space. Sally and Keith don't think of themselves as gardeners but set to work planting climbers against the walls. They have found clematis seem to do particularly well in the garden as it is sheltered and sunny from April to October. Shrubs were added to the beds, then slabs were removed in the middle to break up the hard landscaping. If a plant dies, then it's just removed and replaced by something else. They like a low-maintenance garden for relaxing in and not working in. Sally and Keith feel very lucky to have a view of the River Tay and Mugdrum Island. The colour of the island changes greatly from dark tan to bright gold depending on the sun. The hills opposite do not change much until the snow comes. The river, although tidal, can shift dramatically. Some days it's like a mirror, reflecting the sky and the riverbanks, but other days can be as rough as the sea, dark in colour with breaking waves. Thank you, Sally and Keith, for sharing your garden development.